Hello everybody and welcome to Hydraulic Master once again. Today I'd like to go through the Scanreco RC 400 and I'd like to show how useful this can be if you've got, for example, a mini excavator. We're getting lots of inquiries at the moment for people with excavators and lots of questions, so I'm going to try to cover some of those off now. Now this particular unit I've got here is set up for 8 proportional functions. So for example, if you've got obviously the blade, you've got the boom, you've got the slew, different things where you need to go backwards and forwards, you can control it here. Now if you look at the unit I've got, the 8 options on here, you've got forwards and backwards, left and right, and then we have a twist function. Okay, and all of these are proportional, so they actually control the speed, and the twist is of course left and right as well, or clockwise and anti-clockwise. The center joystick just has forwards and back, and left and right, with no clockwise function. So that's, so far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on the third joystick on the right here, the same as the first one, forward and back, left and right, and then the twist, anti-clockwise and clockwise. These can be assigned to anything that you need. So for example, whatever you need within your equipment, every equipment is different and every customer need is different. But we can make these bespoke, so it's quite important. Another question we've recently had is one of our customers said, look, he's got manual equipment, he's got his joystick in the cabin. If he moves over to this radio remote control unit, what happens with that? The answer is you can have both. You just have a switch. You'll see the central control unit here. All we do, you just switch this from remote control to manual. Okay, very straightforward. And basically manual is like you're operating your equipment without the remote control unit. If you want to go back to remote control, of course you just switch it back on and you can operate for remote control. So by moving over to this Scanreco system, you don't lose any of your manual functions that you currently have. So I hope that's been helpful for you today. If you have a question on this or any other equipment, of course, as always, please get in touch. What we will do, we'll do another video in a moment, but of course the generator will be on, the pump will be on, so it'll be a bit louder, so you won't be able to hear me. Hope this has been helpful. Thanks very much, and we'll speak to you soon.